Mice absolutely love the insulation that's on your vehicle's wiring. So, your wiring harness, which is an incredibly expensive component and runs everything on that car, is their most favorite item on the menu. They love to chew it and it could do a lot of damage. So, that's why I'm running this in my garage so that my vehicles aren't impacted by those pests. So, what this is an ultrasonic sound maker and it deters those mice. It'll also deter other things like squirrels and other animals too, based on the power level that you have. I've got mine set to mice, and what that does is a human is not going to hear that sound. You simply just plug in the supplied USB-C to the bottom, and then you're going to plug it into the wall and you're going to put it somewhere in your garage. I like to keep mine closer to the floor. I don't know whether that helps or not, but it's definitely worth a shot. Now, on that mode, that is your ultrasonic wave mode. It's also got a pressure wave and an electromagnetic wave. There's also a light feature on here, so you could use it as kind of a night light as well. I don't bother with that. I just plug it in and it's kind of a set it and forget it type of a thing. Something like this can save you thousands of dollars because if that harness gets chewed on, it's super expensive and it's not just the part itself. You've got to rip apart the whole car to change out that wire harness in most cases, dash and all that stuff. It's not fun. So save yourself a lot of money and pick up one of these. These aren't going to break the bank. And if it helps save you from one needless repair, then that's fantastic. I really appreciate the company sending this to me. I'm doing a garage rehab and makeover, so this is absolutely a must have in here. And I have used it ever since I got it, and I haven't seen anything around. So this is great. It doesn't bother my dog either. So if you're looking for something to protect your vehicles or even just to keep those critters out of your garage in general, then make sure you to check out one of these. It's fantastic, easy to use, super simple, and you're not even going to know it's there. Check it out.